Hi, I'm Michelle Pfeiffer, and I'm going to show you how to join a Zoom meeting. The first thing you'll need to do is create a Zoom account. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up Google Chrome. The website you want to go to is zoom.us, so it's zoom.us. When you get to the website, you'll see a blue button in the top right-hand corner. It says sign up, it's free, and it only takes a minute. You'll need to enter your birth date and your email address. It's a good idea that parents do this for young students. Once you've entered your email address, click sign up. And now it sent you a confirmation link to your email. So if you go to your email, you should see a confirmation link to activate your Zoom account. So here it is. I'm going to click on activate account, and I can now put in my information. Create a password. Confirm your password. Oops. And confirm. And click continue. Okay, you can save your password. Once you're in, you can click here to join a meeting, and you can put in the link that your teacher gives you, or in your email, if I go to my inbox, I'll also see here when a teacher sends me a Zoom meeting invitation, I can click on this, and here is the link right here in my email to join the Zoom meeting. I'm going to want to make sure that I copy this password because I'll need it. So copying the password, I'm going to click on the link that the teacher sent to join the meeting. Click on Open Zoom Meeting. And then it says, please wait for the host to start this meeting. So your teacher will start the meeting and let you into the meeting. And that is really all there is to it. So if you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. Good luck.